In Italy, it's illegal to die in the town of Falciano del Masico because the local cemetery is full. This law reflects a quirky attempt to manage municipal space. Meanwhile, in Australia's Victoria, it's against the law to change a light bulb unless you're a licensed electrician. This rule aims to protect residents from accidents. Jumping continents. In Switzerland, failing to flush a public toilet can land you in hot water. This bizarre regulation stems from the country's commitment to cleanliness. And in Singapore, chewing gum is strictly prohibited, a law designed to keep public spaces pristine and free of mess. Who knew so much could be at stake over a simple piece of gum?